Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating a step tracking dashboard in Bold BI. A step tracking dashboard helps visualize the number of steps an athlete takes on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to monitor physical activity trends. Bold BI widgets make it easy to track goals, averages, and activity patterns. The dashboard will offer real-time insights into movement habits and supports better health monitoring and motivation. First, create a new dashboard and name it Step Tracking Dashboard. Next, create a data source using PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. The data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Select Connect to open the Query Designer and enable the code option. Enter your query and select Run to see the values retrieved from the database. Save the data source. Next, add a combo box to the dashboard designer. Name the widget Athlete Name. Add athlete name to the Assign Data Value field. In the basic settings, click Enable Multi-Select and allow Filter. In the Filter section, disable Persist Virtual Selection. And in Container Appearance, change the font size. Next, add a number card and name it Distance Traveled. Add the expression for miles. Add miles to the Measure section. Format it to Average. And set miles on the right. In the Appearance settings, change the horizontal alignment to center. In the Measure section, disable Auto Font Size and change the font size. In the Title section, disable Font Size and change the position to top. In the Background section, set the color. Add another number card and name it Steps Goal. Add steps taken to the Measure section. Format it to maximum. Customize the properties as needed. Add another number card and name it Steps. Add steps taken to the Measure section. Format it to Average. Customize the properties as needed. Add a fourth number card and name it Minutes of Exercise. Add exercise duration to the Measure section. Format it to Average. Customize the properties as needed. Add another number card and name it Hours at Training Center. Add active hours to the Measure section. Format it to Average. Customize the properties as needed. Next, add a column chart. Name it Steps Taken with the athlete name expression. Add steps taken in the Value field and set it to Average. Add the expression for target steps. Add the target steps and format it to Average. Add date to the column and format it to Date. In basic settings, change the chart type and axis for target steps to Line. Click Enable Animation. Show Value Label and change the line style to Dot. In the Legend settings, disable the legend. In the Axis section, disable both Show Axis titles. And then change the label rotation to -45 degrees. In Font settings, disable the auto font size and set the fonts for the value label. category axis label, and primary axis label. In container appearance, disable title auto font size and change the font size. Add a combined widget to the dashboard designer page. Add a radial gauge to the combine widget. Name it Activities with the athlete name expression. Drag the steps taken to the actual value. Rename it and format it to average. In basic settings, change the type to full circle. Click Enable Animation and disable Show Actual Value. In container appearance, set font sizes and disable Show Shadow. In the container actions, enable the Show header. Add a radial gauge. Name it Exercise Gauge. Drag the exercise duration to the actual value. Rename it and format it to average. Customize its properties as needed. Add a radial gauge. Name it Active Hours. Drag the active hours to the actual value. Rename it and format it to average. Customize its properties as needed. Now, everything is ready to preview the dashboard. Click Preview and the dashboard will render in preview mode. Now, select one name from the athlete name combo box, and the entire dashboard will update. When the dashboard is finished, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you have learned how to create a step tracking dashboard in Bold BI. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.